Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are playing Granny Ch2. I have been practicing this one a lot recently, so we should be pretty good. We're doing both, and we are doing the boat. Easy mode, of course, because I'm not ready for normal or hard stream yet, since, you know, stuff. Let's go. I have figured out a strategy. Always just immediately go upstairs. Then play Ring Around the Rosie with Grandpa. I'm gonna go slow so I don't get caught like hell. Oh my god, get it!
Do you want to play hide and seek?
Okay, I got the weapon key. I'm gonna try to get their attention. Come on. Guys. Not gonna lie, I like the character design for Granny in this game. It's like, I think it's better than any other game they did. Now, let's fuck up. I heard that Grandpa hears like 8 things. And a shotgun going off is one of them. Damn it. Shouldn't have gone out. Frick. Day 2. Wow. I'm gonna shoot Grandpa in the nutsack. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Granny!
Grandma. Grandma. Grampy.
I see you.
Dampy. Grampy got Dampy in his panties. Got a CC from Kinky. Grandma gets kinky. I don't know why I said that. That was disturbing. Come on, Grandma. I'm gonna shoot that damn baby. They shiny my old man. What the hell? Who the hell? What the hell? I find it very disturbing that I don't know what these stickers are. I'm mildly scared. Get copyright claim. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Balls, balls. I like balls. Suck my balls. Where is Grandpa Doodles? I think Grandpa likes noodles. Grandpa likes my noodle. Die, Granny and Grandpa. You deserve to die. You were never nice to me. You were abusive and mean and nasty and... I'm unstoppable. I'm invincible today. Throw that there. That gets there. frontier, did I say? I don't know. I'm going insane. You're insane. You're in pain. I can tell what you're saying, but I'm Nightmare Freddy. I'm in your head. I'm Nightmare Freddy. And in your head, better flush your eyes. Check the holes all night. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I'm in your head. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I'm in your bed. Better flush your eyes. Check the holes all night. You're insane, you're in pain, I can tell what you're saying, but I'm Nightmare Freddy and I'm in your head, I'm Nightmare Freddy and I'm in your bed, better flush your lights, check the halls all night. Grandma, no! I wanna punch this guy in my face. Poopies. I killed Granny. You'll never be my real grandfather. It's out there. I got 2 minutes of free time. I just broke my balls open. I'm gonna eat that gas can so that go into the area. I like stuff. Damn it! I'm just gonna eat it downstairs. This hurts me more than it hurts you, buddy. I got a freaking. You must be for God's sake. You never loved your child anyway. You fed him people. Shut the hell up, Slendrina. You never loved your child until now. Idiot. Now, grandfather. Suck my cock. Die, grandpa. Bye-bye. You can die. Screw you. Nobody loves you. You were a horrible grandfather. Terrible influence and stuff. And I didn't need to murder your child. I'm sorry about that, by the way. Just kidding. Clap my cheeks. That there were that many shotgun shells. That was not to my knowledge. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you, I died. But we got cutting pliers. So we have a little bit of hope. My bone is cracked. Asshole son. Well, just Nope, you don't see me. I wonder why there's no chase music. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! I didn't know he was gonna be there! Grandpa. Grandpa, please. Stop laughing, you hypocrite. Wait, how's he a hypocrite?
see you.
Granny, I shot your husband. Enlightenment. Where the hell is the boat steering? Where is it? Okay, in my cake, where the heck is my truck? Dumping trucks and fruits. Screw the fence, screw the fence. Okay, let's think. Let's think about where they could be. Where the steering wheel could be. Okay, so could be on that table, but it's not there. It could be in one of her hands, but it wasn't. I think I'm gonna have to call it quits. Okay. Sorry about the cutoff. I just couldn't find the boat steering wheel. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Sorry about the cutoff. Later today to see what play next. I promise we'll beat Granny Ch2 boat escape next time we play Granny Ch2. See ya!